Not knowing how to do something has never stopped me from just trying it anyways. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and also the final video that my 2020 F150 will be rocking the leadfoot gray and bronze shiny copper penny two-tone color combination. Right now, the badges on the truck and the wheels on the truck are painted in this Plasti dip color combination. It's like bronze shiny copper penny. It's something along those lines, but I had it rocking with the leadfoot gray on my 2020 F150. I'm going to be removing the Plasti dip on the badges and the wheels, going back to their stock color combinations in order to make way for a really cool new project I'm going to be doing to this truck. I'm really excited about it. Let me tell you what it is. So as some of you may remember, this truck used to be leadfoot gray on black wheels and black badges. I also used Plasti dip when I did that color combination to this truck. In addition, I also put these black like letter fill indents on this tailgate right here. I'm going to ultimately be going back to a leadfoot gray and black color combination, but to sort of kickstart going back to that color, I'm going to be doing something on the tailgate. As you guys know, if you get a platinum trim level F150, it will have something across the tailgate that lets everybody know, hey, I drive a platinum. And given that black and gray looks so good on this truck, I was looking into ways that I could do sort of the tailgate, the platinum tailgate look on the back of this truck without having to actually go out and like buy an aftermarket or a used one. So what I did was I found a company that sells, let me pull this out. It was Elevate Graphics. I got it off of eBay, and essentially what this is a vinyl wrap, perfect laser fit cutout that will make this line around the badge and everything, and it will create a, let me step out of the way, it will create a platinum look for this tailgate. I'll throw up a picture from the eBay page where I bought it so you guys can get a better idea of what it looks like. But this is what I'm going to be doing to this truck. It's going to be going back to the black and the gray color combination, and then I'm going to be putting a black piece of vinyl all the way across. I think it'll look really nice. Ultimately, I think I want to start messing around with vinyl wrapping again in general, and maybe do like the tuxedo top sort of look that I've seen people do in the past, where they take like essentially this line going across right here and vinyl wrap the top half of their vehicle black. I think that this truck, being the leadfoot gray color that it is, has awesome potential to do something really cool like that. Now, all that being said, I know literally nothing about vinyl wrapping. I have zero experience doing it. I think it looks really cool. It looks sort of self-explanatory, but that's probably just because a lot of the guys that I'm watching on YouTube are pros and they're making it look easy. So let me know in the comments below, guys. Do you guys have any tips or tricks or resources that you would suggest to me looking into before I start the vinyl wrapping process on this truck? For sure, I don't want to do anything that will damage the paint if I decide to vinyl wrap it and remove it later on. One thing that I really like about Plasti dip is you never have to worry about damaging like the factory paint underneath. You can always apply it, remove it, and you're keeping the paint safe. So if there's any vinyl wrap out there that I should avoid that could damage the factory paint underneath it, please let me know. If you guys have any experience or stories that, could help me sort of avoid any hiccups in this process. For sure, I feel like the tailgate portion shouldn't be that hard. There's not a lot of curves, there's not a lot of bends. For the most part, it's just a flat piece of vinyl, and they already did like the cutting portion for me, so that should be just a nice and easy overlay. But when I do the top part of my truck, I definitely want to, if I can avoid any mistakes by taking some of your guys' advice, I would much rather take that process. So let me know in the comments below, which vinyl wrap should I be looking into as far as which product, which company to buy it from? Are there any good helpful resources or videos out there, channels that you guys might know about that I should be checking out to help learn more about the vinyl wrapping process? And yeah, ultimately, guys, do you even want me to vinyl wrap the top part of it? Do you want me to vinyl wrap the entire truck? Let me know in the comments below, guys. As you guys know, not knowing how to do something has never stopped me from just trying it anyways. If you fail, oh well, and if you not a big deal. I may have said this already, but I'm going to leave the vinyl cutout portion for my tailgate linked in the description below. This isn't sponsored or anything like that, but the company I bought it from was called Elevate Graphics. They were on eBay. It had no reviews. It didn't have any sort of research that I could do on it, but it seemed simple enough. It wasn't that expensive, so I thought, you know, I'll go ahead, order it. Maybe I can be the first review for them. So that's where I bought it from. It'll be linked below. If you guys have any questions or comments or suggestions or advice, please leave it down in the comments below. Save me some trouble during this process. Really appreciate all your guys' support, all your guys' help, and we will see you guys on the next video. Peace!